Hello everyone. This is our first video in the first week. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Anaconda and from the Anaconda, how to use Python. So let us get started. So I click on the Google and then I write here, download Anaconda. And then if you write here, download Anaconda, then we see like this. Uh, this is for Windows on. So we use cookies, accept this, download, and then thank you for your downloading. It is getting download. Let's see. It started. You see in this part, we see that Anaconda is getting downloaded in my computer. I'm getting Anaconda downloaded in my computer, so I have to wait few minutes so that Anaconda get downloaded in my computer. So Anaconda is a platform. In the Anaconda, we can use several programming languages like R, Python, R Studio, and then also Java and few other things and Jupyter's. But we are going to use Spyder uh, Spyder tool or Spyder notebook in Anaconda, which has a similarity with the R Studio. So 3 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Okay, less than 30 seconds left. Okay, done. Yeah. Yes. After downloading, we have to install it in our computer. It will take few seconds for this part. This is the final stage of the Anaconda installations somewhere in your computer. So this will be the problem for all Anaconda installation. At the last stage, it take few minutes uh, to get installed. So it will take few more minutes. Okay, it is done. It's got installed. So let's proceed. Next, finish. Okay, it is now installed, I guess. And okay, I guess it is now installed. Let me check whether Anaconda is installed or not in my computer. So I saw in here. Here is Anaconda. Yes, this Anaconda has been installed in there, and from there now we can do Spyder. I'm initializing now Anaconda installations. Let's see. Yes. So this is the Anaconda, and this is the editor. This is the editor of the Anaconda. So once you download, and then after downloading, you will install Anaconda. After installing Anaconda, open the Spyder from the Anaconda. Let me again show you. Let me again show you by closing this. I close the so Anaconda, everything I closed. So now let me take you there. In the Windows computer, I click on the start menu, and then I am seeing, you are also seeing this is the Anaconda one. I click on there, and then I just click on the Anaconda navigator. Okay. So from there, if you go, you'll see this is the Spyder. This is the R, and then there is a few other as well, but we will are using Oracle is in there, cloud infrastructure, and then we here is Jupyter, here is Jupyter Lab, and we are interested only in Spyder. So if you click in there, the Spyder will open. And then if I cancel this, so this is the way you can see the Spyder tool in Anaconda platform. I called Anaconda is a platform because in that Anaconda, there are many tools to use. As I showed you, you can use their Oracle, Java, RStudio, and then uh, Python Spyder notebook, and then Jupyter notebook, Jupyter Lab, many other things. So now our next task, I have to explain you what does this mean. This is called the editor. In this part, you will write code, you will edit code, you will save the code. And this is the place where I will get the result. This is called the console. So for example, 1 plus 1, hit enter, this is 2. 2 minus 1, I got 1. 3 times 3, I got 9. And then 6 divided by 5, I got this. This is called the console. This will give us the result. Now, suppose I want to clean this. I want to clean this console. What I write? I just write Control L. Control L, everything got clean. Called Control L. So now if I want to write here 1 plus 1, I write here 1 plus 2. If I want to transfer it in here, Control Enter, it is transforming in there. Control Enter. If Control Enter does not work, in for Mac people, it should be Command Enter. If Control Enter does not work for the people who install it for the first time, you can change it by going to the tools, preferences, and then keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcut, if you come in there, if you come in there, okay, so let me find it. If Control Enter does not work, how to change that? This is what I am showing you. Cell run. I'm looking for cell run. Here, are you seeing run selections? Suppose if your one does not work, then you will have to use F9. For example, let me show you again. 1 plus 2, I have written, cursor was blinking there, and I hit Control Enter, and I get the result in there. If Control Enter does not work, then use F9 key, F9 key, Control F9, Control F9. Run selections. Run selections means Control Return. So that means you go to the tools, preferences, keyboard shortcut, and then you select these things, then you will easily get these things done. Now, even if you do not understand like how to change these things, there is a YouTube video. On this YouTube video, if you search on the YouTube video, how to make Control Enter key effective to run code in Spyder by using Control Return instead of Control F9. Okay. So now as my one is working, so I do not need to be audit. For example, if I want to do these things, like this, and then if I click in there, then Control F9, right? Control F9. If I come in here, if I put here Control Enter, Control Return Enter, and then OK. This is OK, and then OK. Apply. Now take a look at that. If I run it in here, it is giving us the result. Okay. So now you have understand how to how to how to download and how to install uh, Anaconda, and then use Spyder from that Anaconda platform to do the basic computations. For example, 1 plus 2 equal to this. Now, if you want 4 minus 1, control enter, you are getting the result in there. Now, if you write 4, 4 times 4, then control enter, you will get 16. Now, if you do 4 divided by 6, and then control enter, you will get this result. Suppose you want to find 2 to the power 2. Let us see what we are getting. We are getting 0. So it does not work, 2 to the power 2. So what you will have to do? You have to do 2 like this, then you will get the result. Control enter, it is not giving you the result. So you have to find 2 to the power 2. Let's see if you'll get, if you it is not giving you the result. So this is the way you have to write the power. For example, 9 to the power 2, which is equal to 81, you will get like this. This is the way. Now, if you want to write a log of 10, it will not give you the result. Okay. So I will show you now in next video how to do basic computations. Okay. So let me stop in here. I stop the video and